Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a full glam look, more brown tone colors. First I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, which is what I always do, and I'm going to use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm just going to use my angled brush. You only need to pick up a little bit. I'm just used to using my NYX brow pomade, and you kind of gotta scrape it up, but for the Anastasia brow pomade you only need a little bit, and it goes quite a bit of ways. I really need to pluck my eyebrows right here, but I'll do that not now.
Said she was coming to my hotel tonight. She just flew in on a flight. She got a new man at home because I can't treat her right.
In the background, that's my dog Wilbur. I think he's having a bad dream. Wilbur, okay, buddy. I can never get my eyebrows to look the same.
There's a time and a place for all this. I've got to right my wrongs. With you is what
Now that we have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna go ahead and outline them. What I'm going to outline them is with this Revlon under eye concealer. It's almost out, as you can see. We only have that much left, so I'm gonna have to buy some more. But I use this to outline my eyebrows just because it's a lighter color.
I give you everything that every man says he wants. I could crack clean, I ironed your jeans, I was the one.
Now we're gonna go in with my foundation, and what I use is Pure Beige Maybelline Fit Me Normal to Dry. Look at Wilbert. He's dreaming. Next, we are gonna go in with contour. So what I use for contour, I mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but I just use Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in the shade 120. This is my summer color if I'm out every day, but I don't really use it as my foundation in the summer anymore, so I just decided to make some use of it and just use it for my contour because it is dark enough to use as a contour for me.
Wondering what's on your mind. Guess you like the simple type. I ain't stupid, dumb or blind. Won't sleep in your bed of lies. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk.
Next, we are gonna go in with blush. I'm just gonna use this brush, and what I'm using is NARS Orgasm. This is what it looks like. You're just gonna dab it in there, just dab. And then we're gonna go in right here. Then we're gonna go in with highlight, and what I'm gonna use is my crusty ass, old ass little thing that has different colored highlights on this side, then different colored blushes on this side. It's just really old, but I'm still using it. It's whatever. So what I'm gonna use is like this peachish color right here for highlight.
Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing.
I almost forgot to contour my nose, so what I use is just this same thing, and then I just use this little thing because it's tiny enough for my nose to use, and I just go in on the tip, and I just use a little bit, just a little bit. As you can see, I only pick up just a little bit of foundation.
Can't control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
What I also contour, oops, I got a little bit too much. But what I also contour is like my chin to like make my lips look a little more pouty and full. I just go under right here to define like that little crease right there. I pick up just a little bit more, and I go around like the bow, and I just contour that. Just to make it look a little more dramatic. I don't do this all the time, but when I'm like really feeling myself, I decide to. And the next thing I'm gonna do is do my lips, because as I said before in like a previous video, doing my lips first like really dictates what I'm gonna do next with my eye look. So what I'm gonna be using is this Smashbox matte lipstick. It's in the color Slay Tan.
Been on my mind ever since. Need to relax, sit back and let it sink. Stimulate our minds away in every kind of way, and blow the stress away and gotta think. Let's take a trip out to the island.
And next we are going to do eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna use in this video today is the Beauty Box. It's kind of like a Morphe palette. I got it off of Amazon. So as a base coat, I'm gonna use this color right here.
A private flight for the night gon' take us way up. Just the two of us, no one else invited. Baby, jump right in.
We are gonna go in with the color right under it, which honestly just reminds me of like dirt or something. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna build up on top.
First off, let me say, don't ever interrupt me or delay. I don't even wanna hear it, babe.
Also, to build it up some more, we are gonna use a darker sand version.
What's wrong and you know it, you can't face what you did. Lying at you with your friends, partying every weekend.
And we're just gonna keep building it up. And then we're gonna go with an even darker color. We're gonna go in the color right next to it, this dark brown.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend.
And I'm gonna actually bring this out a little bit.
Like there is no way out. I should've never let you in. got me face down.
And I'm definitely gonna have to clean this up a little bit. We are gonna go in with this. It's Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. So first we're gonna use this side. And you only want to take up like a little bit because you don't want it to get like messy. And you want to stay looking down because if you look up, it can get above the crease. So you definitely want to be careful about that. And then we're just going to sit and let this dry for a sec. And then we can go in with the next one, which is the glitter.
Came up from nothing, had to start hustling.
We're gonna let this dry some so that I can look around normally. So what I'm gonna do is go back in with the Revlon Color Stay Under Eye Concealer, and we're gonna clean it up under my eyes because it is a little messy.
You're so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show.
And then we are gonna go in with this little dude right here, and we're gonna go back into the beauty box, and we're gonna get the darkest color that we used, which would be this color. You go in under your eye and you go right here.
Yeah. Oh.
Then we are gonna go in with mascara. So I finally got another one of this, and they actually had it at Ulta. I just went there like a few days ago, and I was really surprised that I saw this brand in there. I usually get this off of Amazon, but it was there at Ulta for like $20, so I was like, oh hell yeah, I'm gonna buy this because I need it. I've been out of this mascara for like 2 weeks, and I've just been using, oh look at that, yep, it wasn't dry enough. It's okay, we'll fix it, but we should probably fix that first. I go back in with this and I kind of just, I rub it out because I've had this problem before with like using it. So we're gonna go in with this mascara. I really love this mascara though because it makes my eyelashes look really like long. Like other mascaras like don't do this for my eyelashes. Like I have thin eyelashes, but I have long eyelashes. Thin but long. And these ones really do me justice. And I usually do like 2 or 3 coats. And then we're gonna do my baby eyelashes, but like really lightly, because there is a lot of product on the wand. Be patient and go slow, because if you don't, you'll accidentally mess up somehow. We are gonna go with some falsies. Where did I set them? Well, I couldn't find the lashes that I wanted to use, but they're from the same brand. But we're gonna be using We're going to be using Ardell Wispies 113. And the eyelash glue I'm using is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. It is a darker tone. I thought that would be a nice change. A nice change compared to the white colored adhesive I usually use.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby,
Okay, well, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then that's okay. You can also dislike the video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I hope you guys have a good rest of the week and a good weekend. Thank you guys for watching.